This is our most common and versatile outdoor spotlight. It's our high impact composite fixture. And we've had a number of questions regarding the light bulb, so I'm going to get right into this. So open the light fixture. Now be aware when you open this up, there's a lens here inside that's going to want to fall. Don't let it fall out and hit the concrete. It'll probably shatter. See it right there? So make sure that doesn't happen to you. Now the complaint is that you can't get your fingers around the light bulb to get it out. You might have an old halogen in here or an LED, but the MR16s fit very snug, which is really good because the vibration doesn't knock the light bulb loose. So here's what we did. We got a vice grips and a screwdriver, and we took the vice grips and to the front of the screwdriver, and we bent it over. You can see it's 90 degrees or roughly thereabouts. It makes a little hook. Just a cheap screwdriver we got at the really cheap tool place. That's all we did, and we actually use this for all kinds of things. So let me show you how it works. All you're going to do is take the screwdriver, put it under the rim of the bulb, just right under there, and pull on it. That's it. Light bulb comes right out, right in your hand. So that's all that's to it. It just makes things quick and simple and easy. And the little MR16 bulb pops right out. To get the little pins back down inside the light fixture on your light bulb, line up the pin holes down here, line up the pins on the bulb, and what you do is you just kind of set it in there. You'll see them line up, and then take it and press it in with your fingers, and it snaps in place and is held by the rim. That's really all you need to do. It takes a little practice, but you'll get it. If you're watching this on YouTube, please feel free to share helpful comments that may help others doing similar projects. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions on our products, please feel free to ask. Make sure you send your email directly to us at support@totallightingsupply.com. We answer product questions all day long, Monday through Friday. If you ask questions on YouTube, it may be some time before we see them. Our videos are designed as an overview of our products, and we recommend hiring a qualified electrician for your project to ensure a safe installation. And as always, see the description for links to our website, products, and videos, as well as important updates and detailed product information. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.